Hello. My name is Yvette, and I have my Angry Bird. It's a red one, and I bought it to, to last year. I bought this one, like the red one. This is my brother's. It's a yellow. And this is my pig with a basket. So I'll see you guys later.